Hello YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Dell laptop. For this case, you insert in your USB, you switch on your laptop, you press F12 to go to the boot menu. You rapidly press F12 to go to the boot menu. We wait for some time. You can wait for some time as you subscribe on my channel because this video is helpful. I know it's going to help for you. You press, then it's preparing boot menu. When you go to the boot menu, as you can see, it's preparing. You can give it some few seconds, 5 to 10 minutes. As we wait, it's loading. As we wait, it's loading. As you can see, we don't have any USB boot options on our laptop. For this case, I'm going to be using this wireless keyboard to access my BIOS setup because my down key is not working, as you can see, but for your case it will be working. You press enter on your laptop, on your keyboard. So when you go to your keyboard, you can see here we have the boot sequence. You double tap boot sequence, then you enable USB storage device, but you have to make sure that your internal hard drive is also working. So you go to post behavior, then you go to USB emulation, you enable legacy USB emulation, you click on it, then you apply, then you exit in order to save changes. So when it's loading, you press F12. As you can see now, our USB has been detected. You go up to the USB device, then you click enter. Then it will ask you to click any key on your keyboard. As you can see, now it's loading to finish up the setup. Now the files on the USB are now going to insert in the Windows on our Dell Latitude laptop. So as you can see, it's now finished. So please subscribe on my YouTube channel. If this video has been helpful, please press the bell icon in order to get useful videos like this. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.